Hey there, hope you all are doing great. I'm back with a new video in which we are going to learn how to move any content from one location to another location. So for that, we are going to use content aware move tool. I know there are a lot of options for that, but as we are going to learn one by one tool, so that's why our today's topic or our today's tool is content aware move tool. If you have older version of Adobe Photoshop, then probably you would be unable to find this tool, but if you have latest version, then you can find this tool and use this tool very easily. Like for using this tool, you just need to select the content, or then you can drag and drop anywhere. So before starting the tutorial, if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe and share PIXIPACE YouTube channel. And if you are an older friend of mine, or if you are an older user of this channel, then please share it with your friends so that they can also learn something from this channel. To use the content aware move tool, just right click on spot healing brush tool, and here you'll find at the second last of this spot healing brush tool, you can find here content aware move tool. Then simply click on that. Our tool is selected. Now let's understand what is the working of that tool and what is content aware move tool. As it's clear by the name of this tool, that is content aware move tool. That means it will move content from one location to another location. For that, we already selected the tool. Then we just need to draw any kind of selection towards your object. Then simply drag that object anywhere or drag that selection anywhere, then it will move your selection. Then simply here you can transform its size by clicking on at the corners or in the border of this, you can find transform tool. Then simply click enter or click on this icon. Here you'll find our content is already moved. We move the selected area. Now let's understand more about this tool. Here you'll find the another a mode option, structure, color, sample all layers, transform on drop, and I already explained these about how to select the area, union, intersection. I already explained these things. If you have not idea what is the working of these tools, then please check my last video. In that video I already explained very well about these four tools. Now let's understand the mode. There are two kinds of modes. One is move and another one is extend. If you select move, now I'm going to select this this ice cream. Now it will completely move the area and it will replace this selected area with content aware fill, by using the AI of Photoshop. Now I'm going to move this from one location to another. Simply press enter. Oh wow, that's a pretty good selection and it will completely move the area. I know there are some kind of unwanted things are here, colors is not completely mixed up. This is the reason of that, because Photoshop is using AI, and according to its AI, it replaced that original area with the colors or with another objects. So instead of that, if you want a copy of this one, then you can simply click mode and click on extend. Now it means it will extend that particular object, or it will extend that particular selection content, or I can say. Now you can check, we already selected the extend. Now it will move only, it will extend that object. It will not replace this with another kind of colors or another kind of objects. You'll find it already selected the selection. It already moved the selection from one location to another location. So this is how it works. Now let's understand what is a structure. Let me select the tool again. Here you'll find the structure. There are 1 to 7 values. It means how precise selection do you want. For better understanding, let's select this one and move. Now our structure value is 1. Now our when we click enter or when we click on this icon, then you can find it will not perfectly or it will not precisely move the selection from one location to another. It will add some areas like it I can say loosey selection, or I can, if you like, if you are working with the clouds or any other kind of you want to mix that thing, then you can use the structure value 1. However, if you want a precise selection, or if you want a precise selection, then you may click the value, or you may select the value 7, which is the highest value of that. I know it will not move the accurate value, but it will work more. Here you can find this is about the value 7. Now I'm going to select the area again, so that you may find what is the difference between structure value 1 and structure value 7. And now I'm going to reduce the structure value, which is a 1, which is the lowest value of a structure, and I'm going to move that object, and here you'll find the difference between 1 and 7, which is the highest and lowest value. And here you can check, this is the level, this is the structure value 1, and this is the structure value 7, which is the highest. You can find like it mix up some areas, or it mix up some borders of that our particular selection. And if you want a precise selection, then you have to select the highest values of a structure, that is 7. If you wanna like blend the colors, then you may use the color option. And this is about our today's tutorial, in which we learned about the how to move any object from one location to another. I hope you like this video and you learned something from this video. And if you really love this video, then please share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this.